Today, we're going to learn about the major concept behind BEDMAS. BEDMAS stands for brackets, exponents, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. It is the order of operations through which we will solve math problems. But I won't teach it to you alone. We're going to have the help of my good friend, Patty the Pug. He loves bones, and he also loves math. And he's got a problem for us too. Paddy the Pug loved that his owners bought him many bones. He also loved to bury them in the yard. At the very start of the summer, Paddy had 5 bones that he got for his birthday. By the end of the summer, his owners found an additional 6 piles of bones, with 3 bones in each, buried in the yard. How many bones did Paddy have in total by the end of the summer? That's a good question, Paddy. Let's first figure out what we know. Paddy started with 5 bones. By the end of the summer, he had an additional 6 piles of bones, with 3 bones in each. What we need to find out is how many bones did Paddy have in total by the end of the summer? What do you think our math problem would look like if we converted this story into an equation? What numbers would be involved, and what operations would we use? Use what we know to help you. According to our story, this expression would accurately describe how many bones Paddy would have by the end of the summer. Did yours look like this? Good. If it didn't, don't worry, we'll go over it. Paddy first started out with 5 bones, over here. And in addition, he had another 6 piles with 3 bones in each, over here. 6 piles, 3 bones in each. But there is a problem. Do we solve the equation this way, where we add 5 and 6 together to get 11, and then multiply it by 3 to get 33? Or do we do it this way, where we multiply 6 and 3 together to get 18, and then add 5 to get 23? They both seem right, but the answers are different. This might be confusing to you, and it's certainly confusing to Paddy. Take a moment to copy down both of these ways of solving the problem in your notepad. Let's try to sort it out using a visual. Paddy started out with 5 bones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the 6 holes he dug in the yard, he put 3 in each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Therefore, we see that he had 5 bones to start, and then added 18. 5 plus 18. Of the 2 ways of solving the problem, which way looked like this? Good. You've decided to multiply our 6 by 3. And then add 5. But our 6 is very confused by this. When we read, we always read left to right. How come in this case, the 6 started out over here by joining with the 3? Obviously, it's very troubling for him. But let's figure out why. As it turns out, all numbers, including our confused 6, will always choose the highest possible operation first when solving a math problem. And that's what we will do too. When we solve a math problem, we first look at the brackets, then our exponents, then division and multiplication, and then addition and subtraction. This way, we're not necessarily solving a math problem left to right, but we are doing it based on which operation appears. In the case of Patty, the 6 chose the 3 because multiplication is higher up in the pyramid than addition. This makes our 6 happy, knowing that he knows why he chose the 3. And it makes Patty happy too, since he knows how many bones he had in the summer. Let's try it for ourselves. Copy down this pyramid underneath the two methods of solving Patty's problem. Then you will move on and attempt to apply what you know or what you've learned to solving this problem. Let's see what you got. We should start by solving for our bracket first. 3 plus 1, which equals 4. We do that because brackets are at the top of our pyramid, and therefore should be solved first. Next, we've decided to divide 6 by 2. That's because division is the next highest operation in our pyramid. What we have is 3 plus 4 times 5. Now, if we remember what we learned from Patty's example, our 4 should choose the 5 instead of the 3 because multiplication is higher than addition. Meaning we would have 3 plus 20 because 4 times 5 is 20. Now our final answer is 23 because 3 plus 20 is 23. Well done! And Patty thinks so too.